everyone, it's Kaz from Graphics by Kaz here, and today this is a quick tutorial on how to add labels to your stream using Streamlabs OBS and also OBS Studio. So we're going to jump right into it with Streamlabs. So we're here in Streamlabs OBS, and what we want to do is go ahead and find our overlay. You don't have to have an overlay if you want to add a stream label. However, I'm going to add one because I think it adds a little bit more pizzazz. So we're going to grab it and drag it through into Streamlabs OBS. You can resize it to whatever you want. I think that looks nice, so I'm going to leave that there. And once that's in place, I like to lock my layers just to make sure they're not going anywhere. Now you can click on the plus under sources and then go to stream label. And then you can call this whatever you want. And now we have our stream donator name and then the donation amount next to it. Because this heart isn't very descriptive, I also like to add a label inside the label. So here you have the name of the donator, the amount that they donated, and then just before it, I'm going to type in the name of the label. So here it's all-time top donator. And then a colon and a space. And now you can see that's going to be incorporated into the label itself. So you've got your static text here, which isn't going to move. And then you've got the name of the person who donated and then the amount that they donated. So we want to make this label scroll because this is going to be a very long name and a very long label, and it's probably not going to fit in this box. Actually, I can see it's not going to fit in this box. So we have to make this label scroll. So I'm going to go to the end of my label template here and make sure I'm at the very last character, so beyond the curly bracket, and then I'm just going to put a couple of spaces in. And this is because when this text scrolls round, we don't want the last character of the amount being buttered up right against the first character of this. Otherwise it will go straight from 2 to A and it will look very confusing. So I just like to go to the end and just make sure there's a couple spaces in there just to space that text out. As I said, you can play around with all of these different settings and find something very unique to your channel, but right now I feel that this is enough for the tutorial, and then we're going to go ahead and click done. So now that this is in place, I'm going to drag this down and make sure that it goes inside our little overlay there. And now make sure that this is selected, press Alt on your keyboard and grab this handle, this middle handle here, and then just drag it in, and this crops. So you can actually crop any source within Streamlabs OBS using that same technique. So just hold Alt and then drag the handle. However, now we don't see the name and the amount. So what we have to do now is add the scroll. So make sure that the stream label is selected, right click on it and go to filters and edit filters. Now click add filter. And in this list, we're going to find scroll. So click on scroll. You can call it whatever you want. I like to call it the scroll because it's descriptive. Click add, and now you have the ability to make these scrolls in any which way. You can make them go vertically if you would like that, or the more normal thing to do is to make them scroll just along horizontally there. Make sure that loop is selected and then click close. And now you can see all of that data is being revealed, and also the end and beginning of the word doesn't clash into each other, so that's good as well. And it doesn't matter how long this person's name is, it will all fit nicely in the box because it's just going to scroll forever on a continuous loop like that. So that is how you add a stream label into Streamlabs OBS. I am now going to show you how to do this in OBS Studio. So here we are in OBS Studio. Unfortunately, we don't have the native label plugin that we do on Streamlabs OBS, so we have to use a third party. And this time I'm going to be using Stream Elements, and I'm going to go to My Overlays up here, create a new overlay, and just make sure that overlay is the same size that you want to use. So I'm going to be streaming at 1080, so I'm going to go ahead and choose 1080 out of this list and click Start. So once we've got that done, click on the plus down here, go to static and custom, add a video, click change video, and then again we can just drag and drop in one of these source files. Let's use this one, it's a bit different this time. So we'll add in that one, hover over it and click on submit. And now we have our stream label in here. You can resize it if you want, make it a little bit bigger if you would like that. If not, just leave it how it is. Now that's in place, click on the plus again, and then we will go to labels, and then we have all these different options that we can choose from. So I'd like to choose something that I have data for so that it's easy to see what I'm adding. So say if you pick subscribers and you choose latest subscribers, but you don't have any subscribers yet and you don't have a latest subscriber, that label is not going to show any data and it's going to be very hard to test that. So for me, I'm going to choose followers and then latest follower. So that has appeared up here. Drag it down and then just put it inside your label there. All you have to do now is just basically add this to OBS. But if we do want to go ahead and customize this text, you can go into text settings and you can do a whole bunch of different things in here. Let's turn on scrolling because that was what we did in Streamlabs OBS. So if we click on scrolling, we can see that there is a scroll animation inside this version as well. We can make sure that this is long enough so the scroll comes in from the edge of the label and then goes off to the other side of the label. Great, so now that's done, go up here and click save and give your overlay a name. I'm just going to call it label. Click on this little chain icon here and it will copy that to the clipboard, and then go to your OBS and then click on the plus in sources and add a browser source. Call it what you want, and then in this URL we are just going to go ahead and replace that with the URL that we just copied. With the width and height, we just want to make sure that these numbers are the same size as our overlay. So the size that you picked at the beginning when creating the overlay, we just got to make sure that that is represented here. So for me, that would be 1920 and 1080. Then click OK. And now you can see it's the same size as the screen. And there's our label that's just popped into existence there. And it's scrolling, so that's really nice. All we have to do now is if we want to make a change to that. So if we go into here and click on the text and say let's turn off scrolling for the time being. And let's make this text red. So we're going to make that red, no scrolling anymore. And then click save. You have to click save, otherwise none of these changes will happen. So make sure you're clicking save. Now we're going to go back into OBS, and as you can see, the label has updated there. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, guys. Give me a like and a comment if you did find it helpful.